Some people may have some things me I go share with Uno. Boy, there's a lot me people because she come clear her name and a girl name where Rosealee I say she carry the news them to share. As we all know, you know, she and Rosealee in a war, right? So here we go and she I get some whole heap of information although she in that Jamaica. So Rosealee speculate, you know, and I say is a girl where live in the area and give share the information. So right now my people share come out and come clear the girl name. You see me I say I make the girl know say yo and she I give the information. And to all of the people them where get themselves involved in other people contention or whatever while the person that foreign and under that Jamaica I don't know can news or not do whatever. Remember say that person that foreign you that Jamaica the people them can hold you easy than how them can hold that person, so be careful, right? Also my people, boy blame them go on away. BLAMDEM, Berry, Share, I don't remember who else, but him forward pan live later on, link up with Rosealee, and like him I say, him done with Share them, because them are relevant, and by him calling up them name, you see me I say, it'll give them highlight, and him no want that. Seeing, when I got here with him and Rosealee discuss. Seeing who him dis upon them way there. Cause no say BLAMDEM nah less than this somebody. If him done with a person, that means say I start him I go start with somebody else. So we are gonna get in at that also my people. Boy. So come you know my people. Kick off with a female and January. Yo, that woman I deal with come wicked of people. Is a must watch. Me I telling you, the woman deal with Cam away. Seeing Cam is a person where forward on the media because of the cause situation she get a youth with cause. But people feel like say Cam still want cause. You see me I say which way? Me see little, you know what I mean? Talk and whatever. When me would I say she still want cause same way. You see me I say, but more I know what you think. Seeing, when I go hear what this woman you have to say about Cam since cause left. Cam. Seeing, Cam I try clap back my people, but the girl better than Cam. Also, we have Cheese. I expose Dan. You see me I say, Cheese and Dan, war is a never ending war. So, when I go hear the new things them where Cheese have pandan, right? We also have Naya thing, you know, my people. Naya thing been going on for month and you know almost 2 months. Seeing them see this a person analyze Naya, then them see the next person. But more want to listen to what this youth have to say because him say at the first youth where BLAMDEM did a, you know what I mean, show up see him analyze Naya, him analyze the youth. You saw me I say, and based on the details of this youth you give, it hard to think say I know him. You saw me I say, me not say him still know my people, I was not there, but what this youth you say, I want to listen and tell me what you think in the comment section. So maybe we'll add more things as we go along, but we're gonna kick it off, you know. So make we go unite my people.
They should try to pin it by me. I don't know if you remember the time when she say, Stamika, yeah, it's fear friend. I don't know she. If that girl I can't tell us, me don't know the girl. I'm Mika friend, me don't know her. The girl don't know me. She don't know me, and I don't know
Mika sent a request because she said she don't know the girl. She said the girl a fear friend she. Mika British said the girl is my friend.
Yes, yeah, I don't know the girl from nowhere.
Sunshine, just make sure we never did say she know her, you know.
We never say no. So
you know her.
No, we not say you know her, but we are say what the people them said. That's you know her. The people must say you know her.
Me no know the girl
That's why
from
I say come and
nowhere.
clear. That's why I say come and clear it, so because he said it, you send her
She
shade.
yesterday say she unblock her. Cause she did been block the girl because the first time when she and Rosealee go down the hill, Rosealee say is my friend tell she the things them. So my friend go on share live and say when me tell about Rosealee and then boom she start class the girl. I say girl me know from Adam's way for come tell me XYZ and she block her. And me tell she say unblock her.
Okay. So you're from Mika.
Yeah, see where me come from. And my friend them she and Rosealee been have long time beef.
That is what me keep on a say. See
You
if
need
I
to talk to her though and tell her say don't bring acid and them things there. You understand?
Yes, Mika,
They
that's
are back
hard.
in the
Acid with
years.
her. The girl never bring the acid girl Rosealee. Yeah.
So where
Sunshine,
people get that
listen.
from?
Hold on,
People
Monica.
just
Hold on.
mix up.
Hold on. Wait.
Sunshine, listen to me, you hear? Listen
Yeah.
to me.
Let
Me don't know if you remember the time when Rosealee said TJ come her yard with excitement, right?
Yeah.
After she come admit and said TJ only come to talk as she love excitement, right?
Yeah, she did say that for
Yeah,
never
she
go her
said
yard
that
with
for
no
true.
acid. The girl never go there with no acid.
Never go there with no acid.
Excitement, that's the girl go there with acid.
Can Rosealee and her ever have go down Emmanuel Road? And when Rosealee see up on road, Rosealee take the next lane. Cause Rosealee now run up on the girl.
She
Here
have
you
a
know.
girl when name Apple. They a long time. It's a community thing them have. So I don't know why them keep on and say it's me send the girl and I don't know the girl from nowhere.
She don't know
Right.
her for true.
Yeah,
So you not have no friend down there, Shay.
What me at
There is
friend?
her face to
The
stay
only
down
friend,
with the
Yeah.
girl.
listen now, the only friend I ever see you is me, cause see her in the box right
I'm
just
gonna
how far
see
she
you
live.
again.
Me not have no
Okay.
friend.
For Mika, you don't live a see you again.
How far she live?
So people
You
in the
know,
ear,
Clyde?
come on clear from the ears. The girl says she don't
Mika.
know is her friend. And she and Rosealee have fluid going on a long time.
It's a community thing. Them have a community thing going on. But she tried to put the blame on me.
That's not nice.
Why you keep Renee, don't come tell me about Shay. She should have pulled up her yard. Me say me don't know the girl. You deaf?
So Shay, oh you know the girl and you don't live at Jamaica.
Me not live that. Look how long me left Jamaica, Sunshine. Me don't know the girl. And if you don't want to believe me, I don't care. I give a fuck. I don't business.
She don't know the girl. She don't know the girl from
No, but Shay lived Jamaica a long time. That's what me say.
Sunshine from me leave Jamaica, me not go back. Me don't know the
No.
girl from nowhere. You know my family then. Me don't know the girl. If me
No,
know
man.
her, me I go say me know her because none of them can beat me. Say me know the girl, me know her. But if me don't know her, me don't know her. Only can't force that for me.
Sunshine and me beg Shay for unblock the girl yesterday.
Me believe Shay.
Me believe what Shay say. Me believe Shay because they could have tell.
So auntie, listen to me. If me know the girl, me I go tell her say me know her.
Mama,
If me don't know her,
when
me
Rosealee
Them say Rosealee and Apple always a war.
exactly. So now that me I tell you, Sunshine is a
Yeah.
thing from the community. It's a community thing.
Yeah.
But the same girl we got Rosealee, yeah, that are my friend. And my friend used to take care of Rosealee blood clot granny when Rosealee granny mad out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Them have them long time beef. She don't know nothing about the people them. More than the people them going and shade them and tell her the things them. So when she boss it, she just pin it on the girl and say, a motor. Talk the things them tell she.
The girl don't know me for tell me nothing. It's not she. She don't know me. Rosealee don't know it's who Sunshine, so she confused and try to pin it on someone. And then she come create excitement like she say, me know the girl. Me don't know the girl from nowhere.
You just want to know say you're not guilty of that Shay because friend know the girl, just don't know the girl. Say the
Exactly.
I'm about the girl
And
go
if
there with acid. The social like Rosealee.
If me know the girl, me I go tell her say me know the girl. If you son know me, if me know somebody, me I go say me know them. Me don't know them, me just don't know them. At the end of the day, me don't care what you want for thing because me don't tell her already. Me don't know the girl from nowhere and me don't know her. If me know her, me I go tell her say me know her.
Shay, but a lot of warrior in a Shay. No one access say, oh, you ain't not so much argument because you and Urban are argue. What man where they me say cool off? What now?
As she come for me because she and K have something. Like, you would have had me by your life and you said to me, say, them say me stay bad Shay. I say, no, anybody say that bad mind. That's all me say. Me say, no, you don't stay bad. Anybody say that them bad mind. Me never know say she said, so she come for me.
Okay.
Yes, I'm not going to see a dear body. I'm going to say, but your body not look no way. It look good.
I was on Urban Live the night. Urban kind of innocent in this. People come over live and I tell her to share a class.
But why you listen to your comments? That is what I say.
She innocent there, so why she? Me not say she right for class, she. But people kept coming over the live telling her she class.
Yes, but why you listen to your comment? Because I don't listen to my comment section. Where is the proof?
At the comment section, I mix up in the comment section. A problem, you know.
Yeah, so comment section say mix up.
Yeah, man, the comment section a problem. Shay, what do you mean say in a war? What do you say all of them think they cool off? And now me say you and Rosealee and Urban.
You opened your fucking mouth.
The only thing me can say is that even if you not argue, me not like the physical part. You understand? Me I come from, they know they're Jamaica. You know, they're Jamaica, which you know not control over nothing. But
over anything.
Some people, you still a same girl where Sunshine just mentioned. Sunshine mentioned her name, here, motor, something like that. I think I should was alive. Me hear it pan, you know. Say that girl have Rosealee on a curfew, you know. Rosealee have to beware that the girl, you know. Yeah, man, me say that the girl have Rosealee weak, man. You see me I say, and a long time them in a war. Not just because Rosealee they on TikTok Rosealee and she fall out her. You know what I mean? Catch up long before that is me them a rival. So that the girl you know Rosealee I say I give share all of the information them. But people me been telling you already, you know. Me no remember who and who did inner things. Seeing and me telling you say, yo, these people from your community, whenever you're in a no vibes with nobody, make sure say you know say them I go jump in at the people them DM and tell them every single thing about you, especially the people that wanna like you in your community. You see me I say I go jump in at the people them DM and tell them everything. So nothing more than the people them from CV who don't like Rosealee jump in at Shay DM and tell Shay all of the things them so that she can use it for Rosealee. And Rosealee I say no man, this a girl away me and her in a things she I tell Shay it not to be she.
Unstoppable, I'm saying to you, I said I'm gonna repeat because someone does think does hear to respond but not to listen. I said in this part Urban kind of innocent because
I'm trying to come for my question. Unstoppable.
Hold on, Mika, let me answer. Urban, people came in the comment section and told her that she was classing her. Did I say she was an innocent person? Calm down, please. Only just love type and listen. To the fact that I get that
if Mama asks you something now, Chef.
Yes, Chef.
If somebody come over here and tell Sunshine say me a class her, would you get up and start to class me?
No, Sunshine different. No, this is Sunshine. No. But Shay, remember say Sunshine different. No, she not jump. Cause Sunshine one way over here all the time. No say if nobody has said nothing about her.
Say what you say.
Sunshine can only tell we that, right. But we know Sunshine now answer, so we are gonna run out.
Shay,
but we are gonna run pump and Shay live to see if Shay really over there do that.
Shay, just listen to what me saying.
Yeah, we are come listen first.
Shay, just listen to what I'm saying to you.
Come here for your car.
Queenie, give me 1 second. Only give me 1 second.
Right.
Only give me 1 second.
Hold on the money, come here, Chef.
Just give me 1 second. Knowing how Urban stay, I'm gonna go back this one more time. All she is, I know she said Sunshine is completely different. I am not saying Urban is correct, but I'm just telling you, people kept, I was on a live the night, and people kept coming over there, not one person, multiple people, share over a live a class, yo. I promise you, you can ask her.
No, but me that watch Shay and Kia I play the match and I never hear Shay that say anything.
Me neither. Let me go over when me see that.
I was watching Shay and Kay I play the match. Me never hear Shay that say anything. And
That she wasn't. She wasn't.
Then me go over Urban now and them come in the comment section and I tell her, say Shay, I call her name.
Of course.
Shay, I call my name.
They were doing
You see, with them people up on the app, me wish if you could have done. They say, oh, where then take the app and how we ball and go and want to come back. And he come back when you should have better way I get worse, man.
Sunshine, Queenie, I talk to you. Queenie, I talk to you, Sunshine.
Yeah.
Many persons come over, and regular people up on them live, and them come and type people name. Share up on our live, sit down, and them come type. This a person here class yo. That the person there class yo. Everybody have moderators on their live. If them not the moderator, them have 1 and 2 friends. Where share do? The moderators go check if I true for me. Or send me a screen card.
And sometimes she run
right because somebody typed something. No, she's not. If you are intelligent, as she said that she is. If she's intelligent as she said that she is, you don't take hearsay because hearsay can't go to court. The fact is somebody come and oh, she a class you. She a class me don't know she from nowhere. Or why would she class me and me and she not have no? Me I go really want to hear if the girl a class me for true. Me not go because somebody have flood me my comment section. Me just run with it and say, oh, she a class me, so I go class her back. And I saw it tumble down now.
Shay, look here. Where do you shake Queenie? Where do you not hear Shay? Me go see Shay play a game and I do a little thing. Only little time I did hear a problem. I did one time the Italian thing and Shay act so good and everything. All of a sudden I just hear Shay and Rosealee, she and Urban. Because sometimes when the lion asleep and I make sense somebody wake it now. But look how when we have ball for TikTok come back. And when TikTok come back now, we think it should get better, it get worse. It's like because K is a married woman, Urban is a married woman. Me not think it really have gone away with the two of them. I go back and forth with this thing here. And they dig down deep and they gone down and this and gone. Them are big people. As me say now, K is a big woman and stuff like this. Me not go say when them call her name, she not for answer. But two them know say as them call her name, she go retaliate. But K, what you're doing, you're giving them clout. And don't K, what me see I do know, me see I make too much people get clout off of your K. Don't make nobody get no clout off of your Shay. You have everything, I have everything long time. You know, if you make people get clout off in a share. Can you see already people call my name and I not answer? I know me not answer, me not see them go nowhere. Because me now go back and forth. Share, yes, when you answer them, a clout. Like you and Rosealee thing different because it want to begin on your own way on the TikTok thing. But like some little people will come after on the share, you cannot go back and forth to them, you not give them too much clout. At that, and care give a whole heap of clout because some people say come for care, I say care answer them. I say I just lose half a K, I not telling a lie. I mean, I say K not supposed to answer nobody at all. Because you see the clout where you give them K, and you make people run gang go look on them, run gang go follow them. So as them area and them argue, them go run go over, they go follow them. If them area and share argue, them go run for over Shay, them go come look at who share argue. Shay sometimes it's like them now Shay. Now argue with them and not go with the back and forth because of cloud tracing. And you not give them the cloud because you have the views already, you have the people them already. And with Kia, me that
they can know when somebody on cloud, you know, them come for you very hard and non-stop, they don't stop talking.
Hold on, Nika. Sunshine, here we go. It's like how we know the comment section is a problem. Filter out certain people name in your comments. So when them type it, you cannot see it. Filter out the people name.
My life is not the problem, chef. My life, you're not understand. My life is not the problem. Listen up where all my life go. When we depart my life, and you come in my comments and say, Shay, Sunshine a class yo. Mr. Moderator, anybody, want my friend, send me a screen record, I'ma move on. You cannot get me for class nobody because I have to see. Ask anybody who watch my life, can tell you. Me no follow comments.
True.
Comments are me no friend.
Why me that love them stopping a manica? Can I reach back to a test again with the pitting them again?
Yeah man, and I know people are get hit.
Them again, I mean I like it. Me not like
man.
So, what me I try to tell K, say if Shelly see live, if nobody tell her, K, you don't need to answer about these people. What you need to do is just ignore them because you're giving them the clout and them glad feet because even when you hear somebody I say, you know how long more on this hype here, you know how long more on boss? K, come on. you're bigger than that case. So I not think if you follow up them people here who now carrying a name and I go give them a name. Correct? They say I give them name in a case. I give them name. So even if them are come, tell everybody, everywhere, everybody them think different shade. Cause if you are married shade, you're not have to married with no crowd, you're not have to decorate a chair, you're not have to do nothing if you don't want nothing. You cannot go in a church and go in front of the pastor. But we can't remember saying she's a big TikToker. She have to look out for criticism. That is a must. So me not see nothing wrong with her dress, me not see nothing wrong with her wedding. So me don't know why she answer back to people. Because chef, I don't see anything wrong with her. You don't see anything wrong with her wedding? Nothing wrong with her wedding, and everybody have to decorate chair. So me just feel like say this thing I will come back to the pit them again. And if the two of them have artistic child, them need to let it go, man, and stop because it does sound good on the app. Trust me.
But Sunshine, go back to what me always say about being, so when you choose to be on the media, you have to be open to hear. People are going to criticize.
Of course.
And you can't cause everybody will make a clip then live and make video. She's a human being and she going to feel a way to everybody at all about whatever. But when you're on the media and you choose to put your life on the media, every aspect of it, people are, you open yourself for criticism. Just like any celebrity, you think that Beyonce can't go argue with everybody with her life, say, oh, I don't like that hairstyle. You have to pick and choose what you put your energy into.
How much time I say over here, so when people come here, them business, me say.
Alright, me kinda agree with where Sunshine I say, like, don't answer the people that will come at you when you have enough followers and them with it, because we hear King Donia say, yo, if you don't have certain amount of followers, me not respond for you could have talk all you want talk, yeah, that's how we have to look at it, yeah, but you see them people, we pick and choose certain things, although them say you have to pick and choose your battle, but here we go on, my people, you have to engage with certain people sometime to entertain your fans them. The social media thing here is not a simple thing, to stay relevant, You have to know what you do, and sometimes you have to give people clout, because giving them clout keep you relevant and keep you hot. You understand me? So, K cussing somebody when I really up there like she, he give a person a clout, yes, but he keep K relevant and hot. You know what I mean? The people them forward on our life. At the end of the day, more people are going to tune in to K than the person who have little bit of followers. See, but at the end of the day, you have to pick and choose your battles. Right? But here I go on, my people. See, when it comes to Rosealee and Shay, Rosealee bigger than Shay. You know what I mean? And me not think Shay have a real name on TikTok. Shay a try over the years, and it look like say Shay find out say the controversy sell, the cussing, the drama sell. By now she must know say it sell. So she try to just get herself involved in a part of it there, to continue to get people to come over. Me no know, this is just my opinion, people, but you know, let me know what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more of this and then we're going to move on to the next.
Don't talk no business on the media for don't want nobody know no lifestyle, because it going to be an ammunition back for shooting up. I always tell them. So at the end of the day, Kia is an open book, Kia life is an open thing, so I don't know if nobody take her business or a cuss her back, because there's something she come out and she attack. If I look at the
back.
Yeah,
Sunshine, the biggest shame.
You see, let me tell you, to me, big people and married people, me not think say them fear keep on going back and forth. Look here, me not think care for your answer, because care is a girl that people clout. You know, everybody going to know, if you check it out now, little mama, when you watch this now, everybody will come shake and jump and care. Because you know, them go one come jump, because they look at hype and they look at forward. Right away as them here, she said something, somebody go jump on her and say, okay, I go come for me, I go ready for her, I'm going to clout off her.
It was not me. It was not me, paper. Tell her what's had me there.
Where she vex say? One hard pay. Tell Ross the admin a paper.
I'm done with you here.
Why make me and I'm here for the so.
I'm done with you. Just know me just come
I'm here Sean there so you don't leave me and I'm here Sean there so.
I no business where you want to come. I'm not here tell me happy birthday. You know come give me what you say I give me. I'm not like capper. You're a capper.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, hold on then. I'll keep somebody funeral and come back here.
A funeral?
Time for you today. Blood clot. Tell Ross the admin a bad man. Funeral keep already, we don't need to keep. Tell Rosealee if you add me. One of them and 6 them broke hungry, them a live like me, who come here live? They 40 floor in the sky. They are brickle. Where them there? The building color change now, and a red again, a green. If you're there in a red one, me there I want in front of a red one. So pull up. You know.
Blam them! Some up again.
Yo, wagwan.
Wagwan, my man.
Yo, man, I'm in Miami.
Miami? Ooh,
yeah, look. Oh.
That's the president right there, Blam them. What's up, Blam them?
I'm TikTok president in Jamaica, man.
I'm telling you, man. Wagwan, man. Playing with him. You want a match?
When I'm come back and I finish talking, I'm a match.
Blacka. You know
Blacka.
Yeah.
Calm down, peaceful. See me there, I'm not hide. See me there. I'm not hide. I'm not hide. Me nah hide. See me there. See me there, I'm not hide. So no pull up if you're not bad. See me there, I'm not hide. Yes, so me there. Who a pull up. Me there Miami Brickle. Me been a tell no one no believe me. Tell say, oh, me not hide, no take me a hide. Me not hide, so me there. Rosealee, me a tell you that me this something do one of them are 6 me not hide me, bro.
Oh my God, in a four way.
Me tell if you had me this up a batty boy them. How long? See me them none of them not live like me, them broke hungry no blood clot. Look how me I live. Tell them if you come up here, some of them I rise them with beer bust tongue watch ya. Expensive watch.
Hey, one thing Rosealee now do, you know, I mean, blame them mash up your money, you know. Blame them can't draw out Rosealee for this nobody, you know. Unless Rosealee want this them, because guess what me I know, when Rosealee go talk, go chat KTV and King Donia and all of these people, we a long time she a match with them and this them because blame them or this them, who she a go get to play with? Seeing blame them is just a troublemaker on TikTok, so who want follow him, cause me see butter I follow him and a this. You know what I mean? Like Rvdh and something, me understand. So Butter and Rvdh have them rivalry are going, and them have a saying where them say, "A enemy of my enemy is my friend." So maybe that Butter do, but blame them is a different man, you know. So me I say what do me hear blame them on live I say butter at this real dog and compare with him like him a style butter in a look a neat way. And him we do it, him with this butter and we style butter because at one point him did that this butter when butter up with real dog. So he might diss him back. So Rosealee no fear herself. Rosealee now make him jar out for this. Nobody where she have to go, you know what I mean? Apologize to her. Stop match with. Cause the more match you play, the more money you make. And when you match with the people and we have the smoke, so you make more money. So Rosealee know what she do. Make her watch some more people.
Blamdem, you playing a match? Come play a match, come. Me tell you if you had me with them. You know if I come live with people and come over here and watch me. May share the same views.
Power top shot.
They have to give views them to them, bro, cause they never have play with them already, dog. Give them hype, Rosealee. Them a batty boy. 6 them fall off. Give them hype, bro. Man, King Donia. I feel it time now. Me never put you up, we put them up. Now give them a hype. Me then go suck them at the Rosealee. Remember we are on the place and on the Rosealee. We can't give them a hype. People must say true. They give them batty boy the hype, bro. Cause them over there this so smartly. Are you man this smartly about how you fall off, so you have to cuss people to fall on back. And if they don't have throw out for you, I eat that Rose. You don't see it. I words them a throw for you, don't have throw for you. But out you have to cuss for rise back. You don't see it. That made them throw out for you, Rosealee. You see me, Rosealee? So are we afraid to talk?
Afraid to talk about what?
The truth.
About what?
Rosealee really the me tell you we don't take them down today. We not talk about them people and you alone can't go and talk about them.
I'm not talking about nobody. I'm playing a match. So come here, bestie. What's the shirt?
Me send I wait pants to send off. My name is send off. You see Miami me they look.
But like the rising building.
Yeah.
I like the building.
Yeah, bro. I must say I have some living. Me just show them me Blamdem table. I Miami me there Brooklyn. Me always tell them say Brooklyn me live and they don't believe me.
17 Rosealee Strat.
You I first say I see Miami?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, people TikTok. Welcome to Miami, Brooklyn.
Miami. Look at something.
Live bring live runs. Everybody scenarios. Everybody scenarios. Everybody scenarios.
Guys, 3 more person with a rose or 2 more. Come. That looks something up though.
Yeah, man. Oh, you know, 2nd Avenue.
Triple chat. Guys, odds with money gun lions. Come. Guys, use the ×3. Use the ×3 chat. Chat triple.
Short paper, short pan the triple. Paper, short pan the triple.
Guys, use the ×3.
Short the paper, short. Short.
Shoot, chat, shoot.
Short the paper. Short. Now make Rosealee win. We not talk for no short.
The blood clot, look at that.
Short.
Let them say we can't pass and go up with more chat. Okay, what we do?
Me keep if you not already, people. Look how long me keep. If you not post keep early, if you not run early today.
I never tell me so earlier around if I did.
No, man, I show pretty than this. I want to run out pan Shibada. I must let him come. Yeah, so she say pretty than angle him.
She always class him.
Yeah. The angler, man. Me keep it earlier than 8 o'clock. You know what? Who makes it go and go watch for you?
It's not the body very on the live by 7 in fact, Bumbo. For you now go so nice. I think that's Miami. The place Billy look nice. So Blamdem, you know, I can left Mama come there with me can go in a rising building.
Yeah, man.
You know, I talk tonight to him to you.
Come here, me I inform for myself tonight. Me I show me location.
Snapchat, why?
You know, say when plant noir shoot, then when plant noir ripe, then shoot. Where were them?
What I say? Make it clear. We know what it say.
Where were them when plant noir shoot? Then where were them? People, where they say again? Say word. People, somebody comment and tell me.
When plant one did it shoot.
Yeah, when plant one did it shoot. Yeah. So that's
what top shot. When is the burial? The burial going from today. So pour up top the live. Guys, you have to lift my spirit with something there from all long me there now. So now. Now look what 100 came until I said hard. It's hard, man. It's hard.
If me look at me, I look at money.
It's hard for true. Guys, you know, push up the score. Tell me, here comes a peaceful tonight, what I'm telling you.
Come here, see what I'm strength to them. I'm not arguing about him, man. I'm not arguing about it, bro. But that's one different style me I come with, man.
Look like say Blamdem waste all our energy in the day. Of course, and I bury people. I'm tired out in the night to ask clout. Yo, Blamdem has something else to tell our people. But this youth, yeah, is a young youth when them say troubled. You see me I say it's a troubled young youth. Seeing, me don't know if you watch the live when me put up with Shay. And Shay I talk about Blamdem and him past life, you know what I mean? And them I say from him a young youth, him troubled. You see me I say him used to link with Squash allegedly. Seeing, then they must fall out cause he must carry news or something like that and them way there. You see me? So it look like say I know some foolish go on, him take away himself, them analyze him grandmother. You understand? So it come like that kind of mess up him head in a way. So that's why you see him act them type of way or him a hack. You understand me? These people and kind of look like saying just give up on certain things, give up on life in a way where anything or anything. You see me I say? Make watch some more with people then we move over to the next.
TikTok right now. One different style.
13 was like what kind of style?
No, some more entertainment style. You know, me know if you come with some style. You know, me know if you run internet.
Guys, 10, 13 rows.
Everybody send a rose. Everybody send a rose.
Everybody drop a rose shot. You can't cut out tracing, Blamdem.
No, me gonna do that, but now do worse than that. More make it more entertaining.
Everybody drop a rose shot.
I mean, me go talk differently. Brian, me tell her with some of them, you know.
One more person with a rose. One more person with a rose. The next blood clot suck cocky girl will type but shame me a black one.
So tap about them people, Rosealee. We bury them to the dog.
Guys, triple chat. Use the time strand the gloves.
Shoot. Wanna send me some gift for the triple.
Come on guys, use the triple chat. Come chat. Come on the chat.
Wanna screenshot that billionaire and put it on Google and no way.
Chat, triple chat. We are not shooting.
Shoot paper, shoot Rosealee, you not win. People tell you. Whoa, me a celebrity. Shoot a paper. Big up one PUBG. One
Thanks, chat. Thanks, chat, thanks.
We win Rosealee. The Rosealee, I just make me the one come and see this up to one of them, but yeah, me never had them. I'm gonna add them, Rosealee. Yeah?
Because if I add them, they're gonna jump. So I sense that they're not gonna stay.
That's why I tell them because suck out them other if they run.
Them not stay down them, so I never see the sense it make.
No, me don't see why I tell them because suck out them other.
Me in a 4-way. If me add you and add them, when them see a name, they're not gonna decline it. Let me name show you so.
Oh.
You never know that.
Never know that.
You never know that about TikTok.
No, me never know so they can't.
If me add you and add them gonna see a name and them not gonna come. Them gonna decline it. And if I come and start that, them gonna jump. You know, see that makes sense.
That's one time we suck your mama and I can go on. Nothing wrong. I suck your mama alone, I want to catch. Suck your mama, as the Blamdem would have said.
One team up on the blood clot live yesterday, brother. I tell me if it done. Brother, me and this man I sit down and reason about some things that I don't know about this man and show me. Because if you know with me, I know with me, bro. No with me, bro. No with me, bro. You get me? Just I say, oh, I don't do nothing, nothing. It's like, what want to do? It's a ghost that come to you and tell us if you do them things, yeah, and you just do them things, yeah, for no one. Stay far from me, brother. Just everybody just stay far from me. Please, me, I beg you now. You get me? Stay far from me, bro. Everybody have them own little problem and them own madness to deal with now, brother. I want to feel like when I can come pressure down my brain. I can remember as far as 10-year-old you would just listen. Just stop playing me, bro. I wasn't a child that get any love, you know. Hear me, I tell you, no? I'm not going to see no matter and go. I'm trying to give my pin them the most so when we can. Never come on the internet yet, come take out none for nobody. I never go see nobody and just start try to chase them randomly yet. All on the germs. Apply for it. When I apply for my class, you know. And when my class, you know, I'm putting it down to the ground to blood clot, I am the bad guy. I owe it reach, how it reach. How it reach, how it reach. If you not provoke me to rat, how it reach, that's a bro. Bro, not try to drain me energy, but me I tell you, say, to be honest, you can't drain me energy because I'm a bad bitch. And this bad bitch is down for any blood clot thing. But me I say, you see, you came, stay far from me. Me I ask you with all due respect, just block my page. Block my page, my friend. But I bleed, and how much things me I go through, brother. Brother, me I suffer from so much things from how much years back, bro. I'm a whole, it's like a G. My mother have 2 people, my mother have 4 away, and my mother first and last people mad. And I say me there, I know my mental stable, bro. It's like the people them a try mad me. You can't mad me so right off. No so lucky girl coat but can't mad me. When I can't blood clot mad me. The key no amount of oil on the dash, no amount of candle on the light. Out blood clot them because them not work. Out them because they are not working. You think me not know not work for my life, bro? Me know not work for my life, Dan. Remember the woman will come up in your box and say, what she gonna do? And you tell her, say, you got blood clot message her on WhatsApp. Dan, you obey me, you carry me to court, you still a try. What more else you will do? You me know, you not go like your daughter do. The obey where you are working is strong like the one where the man used for 80 and care daughter. Yeah. Me go there for ever be. Me go see your funeral. Me go there and watch them put up RIP on your picture. Cause you see how you want me. Me have to see your blood clot grave before my own. You have to bury before me, Dan. Me now ask. And I ask, you tell me, I tell you that it's not what man said, it's what God said. Fuck you, texted for me for one time I start class, you me becomes the bad guy. Everyone I know. Everyone I know, and I know I'm out no blood clot have no filter. When I know, say me I tell you no as it is. So what is the problem, old f***y woman? Let me show you the old Jezebel. Let me show you the old Jezebel. I want to set a picture of that bad. Watch the old dirty woman who want size up and say, none of my picture them no stay so. Now one. That's why you hate me, Dan. You hate me because I carry my favorite madman today. If me get up and go beard and put on something, no me bingo. Look how your favorite razzle blood clot. That's your favorite disco drunk so. Your favorite reggae clown. Watch our blood clot and Boshi and mate. Big up the dark and love where down a blood clot Philadelphia place where have up the man. Big up the dark and lovely, yeah. The eye girl. Big up the good girl down a blood. Big up Indie anyway you there. Make my blood clot big up the girl. Make me big her up. Make me big up good Indie.
Hey, Dan and cheese war, you know, is a never ending battle, you know, my people. Me I tell you, you know, you see me dance, I should I never deal with cheese ever again, you know. You understand some things when me hear dance say and some things when me hear cheese say. And I them use the power yard, you know, before they reach a foreign. And a foreign them should have unite and link up in the realest way. And a foreign them go break up them friendship and a war. Boy, me I tell them, me people, I want to tell me what to think about this situation. You see me I say, it's a cheese breakdown a little while ago. And I say, boy, them a work on her and whatever. You see me, tell me if you don't believe in the Obia thing or tell me what you think about this whole thing in the comment section. We'll watch some more and then we'll go over. We'll watch about half an hour. Yeah, about half an hour. But half a minute more. And then we'll go over. Come here.
Big up anyway you're there. Yeah, cause you have that girl head weak in the anyway you're there. I'm in a response. Yeah. Big up your good self Indie. Not me say she class Indie and she say Indie ugly and she don't know what that and she look on her now. Look on her, look on Dan. We want to size up with Indie them we never do a surgery yet in our life. And Indie stay good. Me see Indie in a real life. When we got the dance, when we go to the boss birthday party, I saw Indie in the bar, which is Indie's the wife. Right. That big man.
You with your blood clot. If I want get from my pitney blood clot, father, me bring a nice pretty baby upon this blood clot. You go search for the one about your name. Cause I pay a blood clot, madman blood clot. Your
okay.
Thinking about the girl. But me argue like you want to argue. You don't know rub down belly. You don't know man in the living room. You don't know man I look up in a and I cut ambulance card. Bitch, you don't know shit. Move your old man blood clot. Walking woman. You can't chat to me. You can't chat to me. Come when I have papers and I make no sense. You can't talk to me. Wings. You can't blood clot ramp with me. Who you ramp with? Thinking woman, who you ramp with? Woman, must say no girl. We got on them knee and put bad prayer upon picnic can't get my respect. And that my blood clot say, fuck out all woman. I want to that
just a reason with waste all people. It's
No,
party a blood
stop.
clot bedtime. Where you do up here? Thinking, woman, where you do up here? Where you mean
This
by
not call for
it
now.
look like me mad thinking, yeah, you never play blood and a bad pram. Come on, with the blood clot head. You want in a shouting match, match with no mud. Terms. It's not my fault. You does not want you. And my fault because no want you. It's not my fault. Refuse you. You vex with the world. From cause eater, you vex with the world. We vex with the world for stinking woman. You eat every girl. We have baby father. You eat every young girl. You know to say you're careless. You know to say you're careless. That big thinking all the man is such a careless. She done right, Bobo. She go over my page. Pretty in a real life. Bitch. What you mean by?
Stop. Be ever.
Lunatic.
No,
about drop location. Man, why you say about drop location?
Actually, I don't care.
Shame. I want to hear what this lunatic is saying.
Me say, girl, we're blood clot because you want to give it to blood clot. You get coffee, blood clot.
And I'm going to fix up your blood clot and do it.
You know what? My knife in the world to go fire in
your mother. Say you can't shut her down now.
You was your mother. Go and
use a weird every day. Pack up her life with your daughter.
It's a burn you. You want to know my business and you not go blood clot. No, move your low life blood clot and go away. Prayer, come here, so. Actually, I don't want prayer ball. I'm nice in there, you know. A worm with a tough face. It's a but nobody go. I think you look up. So, am I all age about you? You're not go all and you're not go live for blood clot. You're go keep yourself drunk, bro. From me come play me notice you combo me. Yeah, combo me. Like me promise you. No girl can f me. Remember that blood clot. Me just like Shangy share my look ratings as a bad girl. Go f your mother. Cause so me tell you this. Any of that Jamaica send a boy come cut your face. If me know where you're there. Remember me tell you that brawling. Anywhere in Jamaica you're there, me know that blood clot. Me send a boy come make them find your body. Go s mother girl. S mother. I mean have to spend $1 for blood clot that. Your mother, baby. Your baby. How you, man? How you? How that big stinking blood clot of face, girl, ya? What a batty fuck you, no bitch? Nobody boy never fuck me. Dirty girl, man. Face crown in a blood clot and favor, man. Move from your son. With a I am a boy blood clot face. Hey, girl, me don't know you, so me can't even cuss you. Me never know you, so me can't cuss you. But cuss, you want cause the young wall and it burn you. Cause give me a nice pretty baby with my all wall. I eat a bun you. I eat a blood clot bun you. The old girl got a nice baby out of a good pussy. So you want your baby out? You're not got him back wall and you're not get a out. Go mama. You have a drunk crow. You have a blood clot. They look like a hookworm. Earthworm.
People, this more asks Uno more to tell me in the comment section, right? Uno feel say if cuz say to come say yo, you know say more want you back and more have a family with you and whatever. Uno feel like say come I go with it because me feel like say come still deeply in love with cuz, you know. And she hurt by the breakup of she and cuz. You know what I mean? She will talk bad about him and diss him this minute, and then the next minute you hear she talk good about him and something. Because me even hear she tell Blinga say at one point say she wants still file for cousin whatever. You see, sometime to the youths them, I'm gonna tell you something. You see, some of the time in our life, you see the woman where we are run down, and them we fear run down. And the woman them we are run we down. You see me I say, maybe them no look how the next woman look. Have the shape and the looks and thing. But then we take care of you and put your life pan a higher level. You see me? But we are run down the look good girl them and the party and something. You know what I mean? You have to look on the opportunity, because if cuz did still a deal with that woman, yeah, maybe cause of that are foreign. Not even maybe cause of that are foreign. And maybe his life would have better than Wagwan at Jamaica, you know.
Move your maga cranny blood clot impy skimpy looking Jeff ever van blood clot.
Done. Ah, Jesus. Suki, no more box. Come, done. Suki, done.
Look me for.
No, me I tell you, we don't know.
Are you me confidence I don't know. Who she? She must see what Rosealee fat hole or the fat out of Jamaica.
Through the border. I'm now walk them on the money. Yeah? So him thief some things when never belongs to him. Sell them, buy get money for him and him woman, run through the border. Yeah? So Crossbread now, him the overseas. And him look a thing. You know? We know how foreign life go. When they just come out foreign. You know when they are Jamaica, you're free like the blood clot bird. That's a fly go everywhere. When they come out foreign, you have to stay in your yard. You don't really know nowhere, you don't really know nobody. The place new, you spend most of your time in your yard, so most of the time you're bored. So you end up on TikTok for entertainment purposes. Then him start to sell the youth them on film ends a roll. Now you're up on TikTok, big influencer. I do him thing, cause remember now, when people understand Crossbread see this sort of one mouth as well. Him say when him start him TikTok, he may tell all of the youth them to come on him TikTok and tap up him scream and help push him. But you have to, people from, realistically, people like your friend them when you grow up, people like they're not really support you like people who will see you over the app and love your personality and support you. That's how most people send gifts to creators. Is either like them by them contents or them like them personality. And them just, you know what I mean? The own people them not just always come on your life and support. So you never really get no support. So when them see Naya now as a young youth, I mash up TikTok, I played Ivany and them see Switzerland, them see what I TikTok at them don't make crazy money. When I feel man, them say they are fine, them if you got work. And you know them people don't used to work. You know what I mean? And I just run up and down free and pow like West, like the Wild West. You get what I mean? Things go on between the youth them and Biggs. Eventually the man them have to start up Biggs, because Biggs feel like say true him brother, him can do him one bad up and so the man them cuff off him. You know the Naya gang them cuff off him. You know? And that's when now everything come in play for the threat and the money with the vice note on just here. And this is how him and Akim fall out, because him send the threat to a message to Akim, but Akim never do it the right way. Akim should just go to the man and say, watch you now. And this is why I try to show you, see how Father God works? Father God make them left crumbs so we can always pick up the crumbs them and reach to the right trail. And move on and understand me and say no. So because Alex was so sloppy to deliver the message what him done give him to you to deliver, him up on the box. Play it out loud for everybody here. Crossbread, tell them so who for run away from who not for run away, who for lift up from who not for lift up. Then the next thing Akim go do, him go send the message now to Stacey, to Naya, to Diddy. Him send the message to everybody, and this is how Slacky get the message. So this is how we could get the message the other day, because Akim did send the message to Naya. The message for the threat was in Naya's phone. You get what I mean? So that's how now the vice note could have played the other day. And that's why you see them so upset with Slacky. That's why you see them, how can you seek justice for somebody lose them life? And because them father play a vice note, you put up them father face, I said the father forget it. How the father justice say y'all seek? Y'all seek justice and the man find evidence for play. And the man played and you said the man forget X out and him forget this and Slacky enough to come back to Jamaica. And people really watch them people and feel like say them normal. How much time with them? How much time want to do them? I want to see the man verbally I send threat to people on him live. Who can't sell soup? Who have to run away? The man put up all Bobo them picture. The man put up everybody picture. Put up all him family them picture. Put up woman and pick the picture. I said them forget it. This is not what we want our TikTok to be. I'm a creator on TikTok. I love TikTok. This is not how we want our TikTok to be. Like stay in the lane. Nobody come on the app and the children up with them type of behavior there. Appear badness. You know? So, again, Naya, and then when him send for the money from Naya, we all want Naya favorite word, chat. Well, don't tell me what Naya favorite word when people piss him off. When people piss off Naya, what Naya favorite word? Let me see if I can watch Naya. What Naya favorite word when people piss him off? S-Y-M. S-Y-M, you boy, you want $1 million youth. I want to you to your man. S-Y-M him get. Because the youth them have them thing. You all run away done. You run away, you run through border. And the youth them up on the ground now. You know? This was the next thing. This was the next thing will help fuck up Naya. Chatting already? On already? Looks like I couldn't already chat. Naya and an individual fall out while he was on live. And Naya also tell an individual figure S-Y-M. That individual, I'm not gonna call it the person name, but I'm gonna get into the story. You know? So the individual never like that. And the individual still say, bitch say, me dash away. Yeah? Bitch.
People, me tell you to say this Naya situation is a series, you know. Yeah man, it's a series, and most of the people them we are cover this thing here, me feel like say them just a look clout more than fizzy justice. Right? And so much people name a call and I'll know. You see me I say me see bits and pieces like this a person I get a knockoff and alive. You know what I mean? This a person, whatever, because them say the main person where do the analyzing, the police them analyze him in a Galchester, right? But this youth here, you know, where they overseas, where him BLAMDEM did that expose for a longer time. You see me? They must say him really analyze Naya. See? So more know who you think really analyze Naya. Put it in the comment section because more hear what you have to say. Make a watch some more, my people, and hear who for name I go call you now.
Me dash away. So on December the 7th, between the time of 7 to 8:30 p.m. and the people from all over know them time at the time when people get dashed in all over. The most. Them time are the accurate time when people get dashed in all over. From 7 to 8:30. When people in the house are watch news and people are eat and watch Jamaica store proper, the place is kind of quiet. Who come in from work? Them time are the best time for them can do anything. Yeah? So people all over them know what I say true. The person I watch Naya from Evelyn. The person there I watch Naya from the whole time Naya up on the live I play. The person there I watch Naya, bro. Wait upon them right move. But as I tell you, say, everything was planned. A lot of people know. What if the youth them run him now? But here the thing is now. So sometimes you feel like people are your friend, but people is not really a friend. Sometimes you have some people, sometimes you feel like you are push up for be around people the most. As nice as you team like around people. He didn't really like stay around him by himself, you know? So, what about people know? Pee-wee did know. Pee-wee did know. But remember, you know, everything was planned. I'm going to show you. Oh! You saw them manipulate the whole TikTok? I'm going to show you how them plan out everything and clean up them footsteps. So the person did I pre-Naya and I watch Naya and wait for the right time. Yeah? The main man will set up everything. Eventually they on him TikTok I watch. And this is why it happened on TikTok. Because the so-called Dan want to see it. And the grace of God made Naya run off. It wasn't meant for happen the way it happened. It was meant to be more gruesome. It was meant for we, the image we don't see. You see, think we're traumatized now? A lot of us would have sick for months. Like people love Naya, enjoy Naya content. Would have sick for months, would have nightmare for months. If Father God, I thank God for God. God are God. And just because God could save him. You know? But God never make it happen the way all them did want it happen. Them didn't want the youth to get splashed out on camera. The wicked boy, when they overseas, didn't want to see the youth brain mash out on camera. And God made Naya get up. Even though he never get away, and God make him get up. Yeah? So, the moment it happened, him get one first, run off, bam, bam, suck your mother. No, suck back your mother. Okay, this is how it go down now. Yeah? The person, allegedly, squeeze the trigger. It wasn't stain. Yeah? It wasn't stain. It was Ruga. The person who unalive Naya was Ruga. Ruga is also crush bread, slightly right hand. Ruga is a big man. Ruga they know the badness from certain type of days and run off the ground. This is why him could have fired the weapon the way him fire it. And this is why when you hear crush bread come out and you hear them talk about, it's a it. Because you see this name I'm just called, people afraid of this man. Crush bread himself afraid of this man.
Yeah man, long time bad man. We know side, we know already man. Long time bad man Ruga man.
Yeah man. Ruga is also
the neighbor.
Remember when Naya was cussing with the neighbor and the neighbor said, yo, my must read a brother there. A brother there. People afraid of him. A lot of people know say him and can't talk. Can't talk. What me say? People know say him and cannot talk. So after everything gone, and if you listen to the voice note good, if you listen to the video good, and you hear the part of suck your back your mother, that's Ruga voice. To all him brawling, him don't even care. Ruga live in our shop. The neighbor right next to Naya. If you don't got Pantan Lane right now, the whole neighbor and him family move out, them gone. They move out and gone. Them take with themselves, the whole of them move out and gone. People ask more Pee-wee there. Pee-wee go to police station and give him statement. Pee-wee tell the police them, when tell them, and gone. I know where Pee-wee is. But I'm not going to give that location. I am not going to give that location. Because Pee-wee is one of the person that can help to send this person to prison. But I will not give that location. The safer him be, will get justice in due time. Yeah? So the neighbor was the one that pulled the trigger and took Naya's life, allegedly. Allegedly. Yeah? Because of the argument him and Naya tell him to ring out his mother. So I'm going to show how corruption works now. Remember, Ruga and bread, apart from back them days there, because I'm telling you, bread apart with from Ricky Toffee, from Killer, you know, from Mosai, you know. No, Mosai, let me get the name right. I don't want to make up no name. Beatop, from Beatop. Mosai, a bread friend. I feel like we know everything is Mosai. When him said yesterday, say him grow up bread, him grow up bread and take care of bread and Mosai is like this. We know everything is Mosai. You think you know everything, but Yadi can't get any details. I'm telling this already. I'm telling all on this already on the app. Make you get details for any more blood clot.
So my people, I want to tell me what you think about this youth here, because you must say some things still, you know. You know what I mean? You must say some things, but let me know if you don't believe him or not. We are going to watch some more, but we are going to go over King Donia, TV, and Rosealee, my people, because them get tangled up in the share and Rosealee business right now. It look like say them turn share enemy. So make we get in on that. Make we watch a little bit more of this, and then we go over there.
You know, and you take it too far just because me say me I keep it neutral. You know, just because me say me I keep it neutral, you want to disrespect me and call me batty man and call me as a thing because me have my own opinion.
You chat them, kiss me also. Me pussy call her the few chat fast. And you get a look, sure. You must go and play a maturity, you know. No, our invitation off. More fun, call her. Jado star. Barcode, kiss yourself. Barcode, bumper clout. Yeah, me say no girl to Rosealee on the app, man. Bar. Hello, chat. Yeah, I want to see the guys. It's like gone. What's the message? You see, girl, I know light. So what the fuck you want me to do on here? You want me to take out life and out of my bulb and carry go get blood clot Rosealee?
Alright, Jack, what the kind of message now pass and turn on me and hear you, know?
We like the new sound them where you job.
The new sound them.
So they say current gun.
We can't say anything. Mrs. TikTok.
What did I tell the people then?
Yeah. Come over here question if I don't tell them anything.
Oh, so
you know me shake up the girl them till I'm for a week over there, so buy chair, fix up this, start cook, so them have cream and sell and the things them.
Are you cause that?
Yeah. I want my lick on them and say, you know, say Donia clown now. You know my Donia. What way you clown me out? Me get the girl them be a homework for you, boy. Be a homework. You know, see your friend. Hold on, come here. You know, see your friend I take grinding a pampas. I leave him. We said these two niggas, yo, them reaction priceless. You call that priceless reaction. And you know? Wanna wait for up to now?
You never see it. Me not really go pump.
You never see it?
I swear to God.
May them send it to you and your friend at Pampas, please.
No, but listen.
That you need.
Fix. You know what me do? Me Google adult Pampers. I go for image. Me never see no Pampers with the color there in it.
The line?
Yeah.
And when the man piss night, the detection come up.
When the Pampers put get blue, and when you don't
yeah, the line come in night.
In a middle part.
Yeah.
Chabombo blood clot.
Yeah. It's a ranking cocarno and batty man. Then come here, Donia. Me ask you a question, Donia. Come here.
What you gonna cost 600?
No, me don't know about the blood clot up. Can I talk?
Talk, Rose.
Donia, alright. If you was a man doing that, you know, you don't want to call out the name because you know the situation.
Yeah, you can say dogo.
Dogo, right, Donia? Why would you draw aside your boxers to be itching in your ass like a G-string? Your fetish. You got them for what pick a struggle is now.
You know what I'm saying?
Anyway, you're taking it back to boy.
You come like I say, you watch this video good. We are liar.
No, I'm still gonna look on me and I say, alright, since the old dog says is a boxers, why the man have the boxers in the batty wall like it's a fetish behavior? Me gonna get a pick a struggles, you know. Is she gonna take the Pampers or she gonna take the boxers? If a boxers a batty man and if a Pampers a batty man and if a boxers still batty man, the man sitting down wear on and batty so. As him joke it away with them ass.
We don't let Rosealee alone. Now when Rosealee comes, she come hot, you know. When we can really. Me nah jump.
Hey, hold on, come here. Come here now, come here. You ever see one coach fly side her?
You know, say me I go jump now. Rosealee, me I go jump
Alright, so my people, more and share more with you know, cause more want to know hear more, you know. But this video it get too long, you know what I mean? I don't want it drawn out too much, so maybe on the next video I put up, I put the rest on it in. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, that's how I end it.